Hello, I'm Tucker Blanche, and I'm going to discuss for this lightning talk overloading. There are two types of overloading. Function overloading is when more than one function has the same name with different uses or different ways of calling it. An example of is these two methods of foo. One foo takes in two integers a and b, and the other foo takes in one integer. This is an example of function overloading. Then there is operator overloading, which is kind of a form of polymorphism where different operators can have different implementations depending on the types of variables that are being used for their arguments. An example I use for this is these two math operations. They do the same thing, but mainly the first one, it very much depends whether you use an int, a float, or a double. The operation that it completes is very different. Then this is just a list of different languages that use overloading. There are many others that use overloading, but these are just the main ones. And there is a lot of crossing in between. Like C uses this as well. But that is all. Thank you.